In this question, a group of 10 has a mean of 36 and a second group of 16 has a mean score of 20. Find the mean of the combined group of 26. So we have two sets. The first one has a group of 10, the mean is 36, while the second group is made up of 16 scores and the mean is 20. So now find the mean when the two groups are combined together. The first one has a number of 10, and the mean of the 10 is 36. The second group, a number of 20, a number of 16, and the mean of the 16 is 20. So this is the first group, the second group. Now when you combine these two together, what will be the mean of the two? So we have this, the mean of 26. When you add 10 plus 16 together, that's 26, will be equals to the summation of all the 26 scores. You are adding all of them together from the first to the last, divided by the number. We're talking about 26 individual scores here now. And so we have the mean of the 26 will be equal to the summation of all the 26 individual score is made up of the summation of the 10. We have two groups. One of the group is made up of 10 scores. So you add all the 10 scores from the first to the last, plus the summation of the second group, which is made up of 16 scores from the first to the last. When you add these two together, you will get the summation of the 26 individual scores. So all of this divided by the number 26. Again, the summation of the 26 individual scores will be the summation of the 10. In the first group, there are 10 scores, 10 individual scores. In the second group, there are 16 individual scores. So when you add the two together, it gives you the summation of the 26. When you combine them together, it gives you the summation of the 26 individual scores. So now we need this. We need to be able to solve this. We need the summation of all the individual scores for the first group, 10 of them. We also need the summation of the individual scores, about 16 of them in the second group. How do we find this? In the question, we have been told that a group of 10 has a mean of 36. The first group, there are 10 scores there and the mean is 36. The first group, there are 10 individual scores and the mean is 36. So let's use this to find the sum. So the mean of the first group, 10 scores, is equals to the summation of all the 10 individual scores from the first to the last divided by 10. Now the mean is given to us. The mean of this is given as 36. So I'm substituting now, equals to the summation. We don't know the summation of the 10 divided by 10. This is 36 over 1. So when you cross multiply this, we're going to have the summation of all the 10 individual scores to be equals to 36 times 10. And then this is going to give us 360. So this means that the summation of all the 10 individual scores in the first group is 360. 360. Let's get back to the second group. Now in the second group, we have a second group of 16. That means there are 16 individual score has a mean score of 20. The second group, there are 16 individual score and the mean is 20. So let's get back here. In the second group, the mean, there are about 16 of them. The mean of this 16 is the summation of all the 16 individual scores divided by 16. So the mean has been given to us. The mean is 20. Remember, the mean of the second group, 20, equals to the summation of all the 16 divided by 16. 16 here means the number. 16 here means the summation. You are adding all the 16 numbers together. So when you cross multiply this, we can cross, this is just a simple fraction. We would have a summation of the 16 equals to 20 times 16. And this is going to give us 320. So now we have the sum of all the 10 individual score in the first group. We also have the sum, that is addition, of all the 16 scores in the second group. Remember, the question says find the mean when you combine the groups together. So let's get back here. Now, the mean when it is combined together, that means the mean of this 26 will be the summation of all the 26 scores. So look at this step. The summation of the 10 plus the summation of the 16 scores divided by 26 when it is combined. So let's combine this together. Combining this together, the mean of the 26 is equal to the summation of the 10 plus the summation of the 16 divided by 26. 26 scores in total now. So this is going to be the summation of the 10, we have 316 plus summation of the 16, 320 divided by 26. So this is going to give us 680 divided by 26. And finally, the mean of the 26 scores when the scores are combined together will give us 26. That's 680 divided by 26. That's 26.15. And so this is the mean when they are combined together.